Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is EA and this look you see here is my 2019 Independence Day look. I decided on this look because we are in a lot of trouble in Nigeria. I don't know if I should say trouble, but things are not as they should. There's the problem of insecurity, there's religious problems, there's political problems, there's just so much problems everywhere, and then we are celebrating our independence in a few days. I don't know that there is so much to be celebrating because we're not there yet. We've not gotten to where we are supposed to be at our stage, at our age. We've not even gotten halfway there. We're not halfway there. So I just decided on this look to depict how I feel, how a lot of people feel in Nigeria, because things are crazy. Things are really crazy here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I hope as well that things get better for us. I hope that by this time next year, I don't have to repeat a look like this or even something worse. I hope that what I will have to do will be a joyful or something celebratory at least. So if you want to learn or see how I got this look, please keep watching and subscribe after you watch. I hope you enjoy this look. So subscribe after you watch it. Comment on what you like or what you don't like. But personally, I love this look. Comment on what you like or what you don't like. Turn on your notification button, and yeah, I guess that should be all. Enjoy, guys, and thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys. So guys, I'm just using an eye pencil to outline the part of my face where I'm going to do the SFX and the area where I put the Nigerian map.
Tell them Africa we don't tire. So here comes the African giant. Many people don't try.
Outlining my eyebrow. This eyebrow is not so important, and then the look I did on my face, that is not what the look for today is about. So I'm just going to let you guys watch. If you want to see how I draw my eyebrow, I have a video up already on my YouTube page on how I do my eyebrow. So please kindly refer back to that video and see how I get my eyebrows done. So using an eye pencil, as you can see, I already highlighted, cleaned up my eyebrow and then set it. So using a transition color, I'm just going to use a green and white eyeshadow to complement the look. As you can see, I am applying my eye primer here, and then I go on to apply the eyeshadow just to complement the look. So it complements the part of my face where I didn't want to leave my other eye bare like that. So yeah, I'm just going to go and complete the eyebrows. You can see I'm using a green eyeshadow. This is from a box of crayons. So guys, coming back to that part of my face that I outlined earlier, I'm just going to use the latex glue. I got this latex glue from the BP Body Shop on Instagram. So I'm going to use the latex glue to trace the whole part of my face where I made that outline. Yeah, so and I'm leaving my other eye because I need my eyelash to dry, the glue on my eyelash to dry. So I am applying tissue on my face, just right on the part of my face where I put the latex glue. I applied about 3 or 4 batches of tissue rounds, and then I used the latex glue to cover up. After each part I put the tissue, I kept applying on it, and then I let it dry. Well, actually I used a hand dryer to make it dry. As you can see, I just kept adding more tissue till I got the consistency I needed. So let's just keep watching. So I am using the latex glue on the other end of the tissue, just so it doesn't pull out at any point, because I need it to stay right in place. I need it dried and right in place. So I'm just applying extra latex just to make sure.
Try to hurt each other. There's no other way until one surrenders. We've been like this for days.
So once it's dry, I go ahead to apply my foundation. As you can see, I already fixed my lashes. I applied my foundation. I applied powder just to make it set, to make it dry, as you can see. And then I went ahead
as usual. You begun just for a little while.
The parts
I didn't see it coming. Wouldn't believe that someone told me that I've been waiting for years.
And guys, this part it wasn't easy. It was pulling on my skin, it was pulling on my eyes, and then I overpulled it. Yes, so that part came out. Anyway, that's fine. Because I went back in to fix it. So I couldn't get a small Nigerian flag because everything I was seeing were so big they could cover my entire face. So I lifted this idea from someone I saw on Instagram. On YouTube here.
I'm writing you this letter,
Watercolor
hoping we can make things clearer.
my own flag. I made a green
shouting,
flag.
we forget to hear each other.
Let it dry, and then
I miss you
I
for
just went ahead to insert it inside the space I already opened on my face.
in so many ways.
Don't worry about it. I moved it back. I mean, it came off when I was trying to open it.
Like we're far away,
I just go ahead
far from
with the
far
white and the other green parts. So just pay attention. Search right. It was quite difficult, so I had to use
the beginning. You and me.
And it wasn't
Let's go
as
back
nice
to
as I
the
wanted it to be,
beginning.
so I had to go back and use
You and me.
to hold it down. So watch guys and see how I do this.
You and me. You and me.
So now that that's in place, I'm going to shade around the latex glue, on the latex glue, to give it a loose. So I'm going with black eyeshadow, also red.
Let's go back to the beginning.
The same process I followed on my face for this other part, the same thing I did on my chest. I didn't have to record everything. When I recorded it, I didn't have to put everything in this video. So the process I used for my face